Good morning, students. In last class I have given some questions which you have to do, but I get the answer for 2 or 3 questions, but last 2 questions I don't get any answer yet also. So that's why I'll do that 2 questions. I think you cannot able to do that question answer. So one question I have given, that question was 3 bulb A, B and C contain 10 gram of ozone, 10 gram of oxygen molecule O2 and 10 gram of oxygen atoms respectively. The question was, which bulb contain greater number of atoms? This question answer I don't get from you, that's why I'll do it. 3 bulb A, B, C contain 10 gram of ozone, 10 gram of O2 and 10 gram of oxygen atoms respectively. Which bulb contain greater number of atoms? Now, to do it, how you have to do? For bulb A, your bulb A contain 10 gram ozone. As you know, ozone molecular formula is O3. Oxygen mass is 16 into 3, you will get 48. This is called the molar mass of oxygen. Molar mass means mass of 1 mole oxygen, that is 48 gram. And as you know, 1 mole always contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Since it is molecule, so particle should be molecule. So 48 gram ozone, 1 mole ozone, 48 gram ozone contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Because it is molecule, that's why particle should be molecule. But your container contain how much? 10 gram. So 10 gram ozone contain how many molecule you find out? So this will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 48 into 10. This is the number of molecules. But you have to determine number of atoms. So first time you determine number of molecules from mole. Now you have to determine number of atoms. You know ozone formula is O3. How many oxygen atom present here? 3 oxygen atom present to form the O3. So one molecule contains 3 oxygen atom. So you have the molecule this much. So this much molecule contain how many atoms? That you have to find out. So now I will do like this. Again, one molecule of ozone contain 3 oxygen atoms, because ozone formula is O3, it contains 3 atoms. Therefore, your molecule is 6.022 into 10 to the power, you can write 24, 23 into 10 means 24 divided by 48. Molecule of ozone contain 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 48. So 3, 48 cancel, you will get 16. That means 6.022 divided by 16 into 10 to the power 24, this much atoms. So this is the number of atoms of ozone in bulb A. So this is for bulb A. Now I will do for bulb B. In bulb B, it contains 10 gram oxygen. As you know, oxygen molecule, its formula is O2. So its molar mass is 16 into 2, you will get 32. That means 32 gram oxygen contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, because 32 means 1 mole oxygen, 1 mole always contain Avogadro's number molecules because oxygen is also molecule. Therefore 10 gram oxygen contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 32 into 10. Again, this is oxygen O2. One molecule contain 2 atoms. So 1 molecule oxygen contain 2 oxygen atom. Therefore 6.022 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 32 contain 2 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 32. So 2 16s are 32. Ultimately you will get same number of atoms, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 16. Again you have got the same number of atoms for oxygen. Now I will do for bulb C. Your bulb C contain 10 gram oxygen atom. As you know, oxygen atom is O. Its molar mass is 16. So 16 gram oxygen atom contain this much of, directly you can write atoms because O is atom, directly atoms. If the substance is molecule, then the particle will be molecule. If the substance is atom, then the particle will be directly atoms. So 10 gram oxygen contain, now no need to write this part. Directly you can find out the atoms because O is atom. So 10 gram O contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 16 into 10. Ultimately you will get 6.022 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 16 atoms. This will be atoms. So ultimately you have seen bulb A, bulb B, bulb C contain equal number of atoms. So therefore the bulb A, B and C contain equal number of atoms. So although the question given which contain greater number of atoms, but everyone contain same number of atoms. So this is about the question. Someone done, but they have determined the molecule only, not determined the atoms. So you have to determine the atoms like this way. So this is about this question. Now another question you have not done. Now that question I will do. I have given a metal oxide have a metal form 2 oxides, and in which the oxygen percentage are given. One formula is given, you have to determine another formula of the compound. That also you cannot do. So that's why I will do that question now. Push.